Hello wow, that voice crack. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. So, last time we went through the, what's the place called? We went through Nebula G34 through Blarg Station. And we pretty much picked the place clean. So, now we're on to Planet Rilgar to enter the Blackwater City hoverboard race and figure out the problem with all these amoeboids. And also locate Captain Quark. Almost forgot about that. Wow. I like how it looks. So there's two different ways we can go. Both ways of which have something to offer. Right or left? Let's go right first.
I got some great bargains for you today.
Mine glove. You know what I can do with this? Hang on, real quick, we're going to Planet Iridia. Well, actually no. I'll wait until after I complete I go through Planet Rilgar. Now there's two things I need to do in on Planet Iridia. The first is to take the hoverboard race trophy back to Skid's agent. The other is to use this mine glove on a oh god, I should probably figure out what this does. No, not that. Not that either. We'll replace the blaster with it. I think this mine glove might be just what I need. Cause you guys remember that the metallic part of that you guys remember that metal covering near the sand shark pits back on Iridia that was blocking our way to a gold bolt? Pretty sure that's what I need to do. I need to use a mine glove on it. Crap. Oh god. Oh. Just a warning to you guys. If you fall into the water, yeah, that's why you don't want to fall into the water. Because it's infested with pool sharks. And there's nothing a pool shark loves more than the taste of lombax. From personal experience. Oh boy. Oh, I'm getting so many... I'm getting so many memories from these amoeboids for many reasons. Yeah?
I'll be back, I gotta run the staples.
Okay. No. Boop. That was cool. Oh, wait, wait, wait. I'll let you guys handle it. Yeah, and then they... Oh, God, I'm out of ammo. This was a bad idea. Ah, can't get me in here. That was a very bad idea. Go get them, my little friends. Don't try and exterminate a Lombax. What's wrong with you? Now I think after a while, I can't tell if I can't recall, but I think after a while, if these little robots don't find anything to kill, they just self-destruct. I can't remember if that's now or later. You'll find out what I mean by later. So let's head downtown. Yeah. I'm reminded of an achievement. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually impressed that actually worked. So yeah, you can only have eight little bots out at a time. Oh god. Okay, at least the damage I took was replaced, but that was not cool at all. Whoa. Totally forgot I could do that. Is there anything up here? Nope. Well, hi there.
Rhino for your robot. Trade you.
Well, okay, Ratchet. I'm kidding. Sorry, he's not for sale. What's a rhino anyway?
Rip ya a new one.
What did you just say to me?
R-Y-N-O. Rip ya a new one.
Why, that's the most powerful missile launcher in the galaxy. I know it's worth a lot of bolts. He must have stolen it from the Blarg.
Stolen? Look, trash can. Did I say anything about it being hot? You better watch your mouth or I'll...
Wait, don't tell me. Rip you a new one.
Okay, I'm not that rich. I will meet back with you later, my good sir. For those who don't get it, rip you a new one, I'm pretty sure is based on the term rip you a new asshole, which is when you choose someone out for something they did. Basically like really scolding them, lecturing them, whatever you want to call it. This weapon isn't gonna lecture anyone. It's gonna shred them to pieces. Hey, curious question. Can I... Oh my god, I can! I cannot believe that works. Whoa, what the fuck? Did you see that? Those doors just went down into the ground. Yep. What the fuck was that? That's scary. Ow! Dick. Time to cheat the system. The fact that this shit actually works is just incredible. Come on. Well, you know what? I can still set them as traps. Oh, they're attracted to the enemies that come near them. That's cool. So they're like heat-seeking mines, only when they're in close proximity. Okay, that's cool. I didn't know that. Going up. Aw, I was for sure hoping that'd work. Wow, those are some I want. Crap. Bomb glove. Do your thing, bomb glove. Ow! That's not fair. It's a bunch of baloney. I think I know what I need to do. I guess at this point it's worth noting I'm gonna be going after any gold bolt I see that I can reach at the time. Crap! Oh, damn it. Kind of tricky to do. Keep going straight forward. Damn it. Victory is mine. All it takes is one bomb? Wow. Now this right here, I think it's around this spot where, actually no, I should probably wait until I actually have the gadget to demonstrate something. It has to do with that glitch.
Welcome to the HoverCon Intergalactic Hoverboard Competition. Captain Quark's giving away a brand new Platinum Zoomerator to the winner of this competition.
A platinum zoomerator. Perhaps that will be the proof of your accomplishments that Skid's agent requires.
Wait, do you guys mean Skid McMarks?
Yeah, Skid couldn't make it, so we're here to, you know, fill in for him.
Guess we'll see about that.
Crap. I remember this from the 2016 remake. The tricky part about the remake version, though, was that you actually had to have, like, you actually had to build up a boost meter by performing tricks and then, you know, you basically use the boost to get ahead. Here, I don't have to worry about performing tricks to stay ahead, which is nice. Now, I'm sure some of you might be wondering about this glitch I keep talking about. So, now that I'm on the place where it happens, I will explain it. Basically, the way it works is, each time you do a lap, or each time you go past certain crates in the Blackwater City hoverboard race, the crates will respawn because, you know, you're doing laps. You're going around the track, and the track will not be completely clean if you hit every crate. So the crates automatically respawn the moment they're off camera. Well, there is actually a glitch that I actually have done before, that basically allows you to glitch yourself onto the hoverboard track, and you need something called a decoy glove to do so. And what the decoy glove does, I lost. What the decoy glove does, it makes, of course, makes a decoy of Ratchet for enemies to attack. Well, there's a glitch where if you span the decoy glove, if you span the decoy glove on a certain wall at the room where, you know, you talk to the lady to get into the hoverboard race, there is a specific wall you can glitch through in order to go outside of the map's boundaries, okay? And you can find your way around to the hoverboard track, and you basically can just stand right next to a pile of crates, and you can stand next to a pile of crates, use the taunter to constantly break crates, and overall you just, you know, overall you just keep breaking crates infinitely because, you know, they keep respawning because they're off camera. I think you can actually do this with the sewer part of the Rilgar City thing, or Blackwater City or hoverboard racing as well. But I'm actually going to be doing that later because there are some very expensive weapons you can get, and I'm definitely going to need enough money for them.
Hi, folks. Captain Clank
Unless I change my mind.
Pleasure to introduce this year's HoverCon Intergalactic Champions. Let's give it up for newcomers,
Ratchet and Clank.
Hey, look, that's us.
Today's winners will take home a brand new professional grade Model T15 Platinum Zoomerator. Manufactured by Gadgetron, this hoverboard drive delivers more lift, speed, and maneuverability than any other anti-grav device on the market. Well, folks, that's all the time we have. Tonight, remember to set your infobots to the Quark Classic channel for tonight's episode of Dogfight Over Death Canyon, starring yours truly. Thank you, and have a Quark-tastic day.
Cool. Alright. We're not done here, though. Alright. Nope. Nope. There we go. Oh boy. Oh, God. Alright, coast looks clear. Now, I believe it's... Hang on. Quick select. Jeez, Angel. I believe it's right around here that you can use the taunter. And... it's in one of these tunnels. And the reason I say that is because, believe it or not, you are actually right underneath the track. So before I end this episode, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and go through the sewers. Is it right? I think it's maybe right here? Maybe not here? It's somewhere here. No. Wait. Now, you might be thinking, well, why don't I just do it here? Well, because honestly, doing it on the actual track itself is a lot faster. But now you at least know that, yes, there is in fact a way to get a lot of bolts. Right around here. Is there like... I think I have to use the hydro displacer again. Cool to know that the glitch still works though. Oh, that's what I broke. I broke all those, Wait, is that what I've been breaking that whole time? Just those little crates? Possibly. Whee! Yep, that's where I'm supposed to go. And then here's where things get a little intense. The water level starts to rise, and you gotta go, go, go. No, no, no. Crap, no, not that. Oh, thank God, that was dangerously close. I think there is actually like a hidden path over there that leads to a gold bolt, but I do not have the air capacity to go in there.
Hey, press conference is over. Captain Quark don't want no more reporters bugging him in his trailer.
Oh, you see, my friend and I need to speak to the captain about a matter of galactic security.
You mean you and your walking camera? You paparazzi make me sick. Now beat it.
But, sir, I'm sure the Captain Quark will understand once we...
Now, save it. I know how it works. You convince me to let you in, you snap a picture of the captain in his underpants, then you sell a picture to the info tabloid for $1 million volts.
You've got it all wrong.
Meanwhile, I'm stuck here making 6 volts an hour, and I have to listen to a lecture from that cheapskate Quark. So you don't get in unless I get a kickback. In advance. You see how it works? You grease the hinges, the door opens.
Captain Quark?
What's that?
It's Ratchet and Clank, Captain. You know, from the hub.
Oh, yes, I know who you are.
You do?
Yes, and thank the galaxy you found me.
Huh?
There's an awful plot being hatched to destroy our planets.
Ratchet, he knows.
Great. Does that mean we can go hoverboarding now?
My friends, we're all in grave danger, and I believe that together we can put a stop to this madness.
Together? You mean you want our help?
Look, Ratchet, I've been keeping an eye on you. I've never seen anyone with such raw talent. You are a true hero in the making.
Really? You mean I could be famous?
Oh, absolutely. Oh, here, take this. What makes one man toil in obscurity while another becomes a hero? Is it strength, compassion, determination, or just pure blind luck? Wise men through the ages have struggled with that very question, but Captain Quark knows the secret. That's why he's been able to defeat more despots, rescue more damsels in distress, and save more civilizations than any other hero in the galaxy. Now is your opportunity to see if you've got the stuff heroes are made of. This infobot contains coordinates to Quark's secret base. Can you quickly conquer Quark's killer cannonade of confounded contraption? Can you quickly Oh, just make your way through the defenses to the center of the base. Prove yourself, learn the secret, and earn your place in galactic history. Consult your doctor before attempting any strenuous exercise. Not responsible for death or dismemberment. Your results may vary. Meet me at my headquarters.
Hey, Captain Ratchet, what do you think?
We won't fail you, sir. We promise.
Planet Umbris. Now, one more thing I want to do in this episode. Also. Alright, so now that we have the Platinum Zoomerator and a Mind Glove, one more thing I want to do in this episode is go back to Planet Iridia, take this Zoomerator to Skid's agent, and get that gold bolt.
You got it! Great work.
So, are you gonna represent me?
You bet, kid. And as a signing bonus, I've got this.
Cool helmet.
That is a sonic summoner. It is used to attract sand mice.
Right, and it's all yours. Well, I'm off to finalize the paperwork. I'll have my people call your people.
Do you have people?
The sonic summoner allows you to interact with the mysterious and intelligent sand mice species. Despite their innocent appearance, sand mice are very effective and aggressive hunters. Simply equip the sonic summoner when you are near a sand mouse house, and a mouse will emerge to greet you. If the mouse likes you, it may offer a bit of high-caliber tactical assistance.
Cool. You know, honestly, I've never really used this thing. Now, one other thing to do. Oh, that's handy.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Hi. Right here. Wait. Am I just stupid? I may just be stupid. But you know what? We got 2 things done in 1 visit. Alright. Until next time, everyone, in the next episode of Ratchet and Clank, we're gonna go to Planet Umbris, and we're gonna check out this, training thing that Quark's got going on. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want more content in the future, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell, and I will see you next time.